How to block unknown incoming calls on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your call center. And once you do that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. And here click on block numbers. You will be landing on this page right here, in which you will see there's an option that says block unknown/private numbers, and it has a toggle next to it. So click on that toggle to turn it on, and by doing that you have just enabled this feature that will block all of the unknown and slash private numbers. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block the unknown numbers and incoming calls on your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.